So welcome WBP stars back in the kitchen of restaurant Werneckhof By Geisel. Now we go further in the menu and we're going to present you a dish which is actually with French quail, imperial quail, and we just tested out this dish yesterday and we decided yesterday night to present it to you like a kind of sneak preview, since we don't have it on the menu yet, but we were really happy with the result of our tests. So we said, okay, we're going to show you this when you especially come to us tonight. So we start with a regular quail breast without the skin. Just break it down, and what we do then is making our classical farce with the quail meat, and instead of cream, which you would normally use for the farce, we use soy milk. We put some leek as well inside, so it's got this kind of green color, and we steam it. So meanwhile Schmidti is actually finishing the quail, I'm gonna start dressing the dish. So we have leek, which we actually cook sous vide, and then blowtorch it a little bit, and in the cooking liquid for the leek we have also some rice vinegar inside. And then we have a roasted cream of leek as well from the green part, and then emulsion of anchovies. So Spanish anchovies, and also some anchovy as whole on top. Gonna put some herbs inside. This, for example, I don't know how to say it in English, but it's a Schafgarbe in German, or in Belgium you say Duizenblatt, right? Duizenblatt. So here we have a crunch of fried onions and chive mixed together, so you have the crispy roasting flavor of fried onions and the kind of sharp fresh taste of the chive. A little bit beetroot cress as well. And this is a quail egg, which we have just reheated a little bit in beurre clarifié, so in clarified butter. I'm just going to season it a little bit with sea salt and crushed black pepper. And this is coming here into the filled leek. And about the sauce, it's a kind of version of our Japanese ramen bouillon. So we use also chicken bones, chicken wings, everything. Leek is going inside, onions, vegetables. We cook it overnight with a little bit of pork belly as well to get some nice sweetness, umami flavors inside that bouillon. We put as well some kombu wheat into it, and also some katsuobushi, so the dried bonito flakes. And as well niboshi, so the dried sardines, which are also quite essential for ramen bouillon. I mean, every chef in Japan has his own recipe for his ramen soup. And this is then the base for our jus, and we take Perrier truffle, we put it into also beurre noisette and brown butter, we roast a little bit inside, put some Madeira to it, and then we put the jus on top. So now we are outside having some chicken skin, crunchy chicken skin, and the quail breast in the middle. You can see it now also with a farce of the quail meat together with soya milk and some leek inside. And then we just finish it off with that kind of rich, deep flavor by a ramen bouillon inspired sauce, actually, with Perigord truffle. So quite I mean, the look is quite classical French, but the taste, you have also Japanese flavors into it because of the ramen bouillon. You have some Mediterranean flavor with the anchovy. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy it. So it's now the second time we make it the dish, and hopefully see you soon in Werneckhof and you can taste this wonderful dish as well.